The MMFF is tomorrow, guys, and once again, we can't help but be so proud of SB19. Imagine this. 2 of their songs made it as OSTs for 2 of the most anticipated MMFF movies this year. If that doesn't scream how deep and meaningful their music is, I don't know what does. And guys, producers and directors don't just randomly pick a song and slap it onto a movie. These are carefully chosen to fit the story and give it the emotional weight it needs. The fact that 2 SB19 songs were picked, that's next level validation of how incredible their artistry is. Their music doesn't just fit a vibe, it amplifies the whole experience. Also, these movies aren't your usual rom-coms either. Though nothing against that genre, of course. What we mean is, And the Breadwinner Is and Green Bones are heavy, meaningful films, and it says so much about SB19's ability to tackle topics that really hit home. They're not afraid to dive into real struggles. Life isn't just about romantic heartbreaks. Some of the hardest pain sometimes, come from family, from unfairness, or from people who judge us without knowing who we really are. This is why SB19 is on a whole different level. Their music speaks to real emotions and experiences, and it's one of the many reasons why we support them. I mean, how can you not? They just keep proving time and time again why they're the standard.
Pero mabait yung SB19. Madali silang kausap. They're very generous. At happy sila, lalong-lalo na si Pablo, na nagamit yung kanta na ginawa niya, yung mapa dito sa pelikula namin. Kasi dream niya pala yun na maging soundtrack ng isang kantang ginawa niya. At ang laki lalo ng ikinanda ng pelikula natin dahil sa soundtrack, no? Direct June.
Yes. Kasi na-encapsulate niya kung ano yung message ng film. Na-encapsulate niya what it is that we're trying to tell, the story that we're trying to impart to the audiences, especially the message. Na-encapsulate ng song na yun. Parang binibigyan natin ng tribute, diba? Yung mapa. Pero yung mapa na yan, maiintindihan nila din kung bakit siya mapa din para sa pelikula namin and how we were able to personalize it and make it really an important part of the story.
Nang bagsak pa lang yung vocals na nakakakilabot siya, tsaka nakaka-inspire, parang it speaks to your soul. Tapos hindi na namin napigilang pakinggan. Sabi namin, we have to really get this song kasi siya talaga yung perfect for the film. And SB19 and Sony and 1Z were very gracious, we were very excited also. And ayun, thankfully nakuha namin yung song na we feel is perfect.
So pinakinggan ko, tapos nakakadagdag siya ng sobra dun sa eksena, hindi lang dun sa trailer. Mas nakaka-goosebump siya. Parang ganun. Nakakadagdag siya ng emosyon. So ibig sabihin, yun yung naging pamantayan kung paanong pasok na pasok yung music ng Niebe ng SB19 doon sa pelikula. Kasi nakakapag-transcend at na ma-magnify niya, na-amplify niya yung emosyon na gustong palabasin doon sa mga eksena.
Yung Niebe kasi nung nire-research namin siya, parang marami nagsasabi na kapag daw malungkot sila, yun daw yung pinapakinggan nila, or kapag hindi sila makatulog, yung mga kabataan ngayon, yun daw yung parang healing song nila. Sobrang sumakto lang dun sa story, na parang it's a story of hope, and yung character maraming pinagdaanan din sa buhay, so sumakto lang siya. And nung narinig namin yung hum pa lang, alam namin that this song is the perfect song for the movie.